Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about KSET 2023 general paper. Question number 3. Aman, Biman and Chiman enter into a partnership by investing rupees 36,000, rupees 44,000 and rupees 28,000 respectively. Aman is the working partner and gets one-fourth of the profit for his service, and the remaining profit is divided amongst the three in the ratio of their investments. What is the amount of profit that Chiman gets if Aman gets a net profit of rupees 5,400? And the answers are A rupees 2,100, B rupees 1,200, C rupees 1,000 and D rupees 1,500. And the solution is, this partnership firm have three partners, Aman, Biman and Chiman. First we need to calculate the investment of the partners in the ratio. Aman rupees 36,000, Biman rupees 44,000 and Chiman rupees 28,000. All the above amount is divided by 4,000. Aman rupees 36,000 divided by 4,000 is equal to 9. Biman rupees 44,000 divided by 4,000 is equal to 11. Chiman rupees 28,000 divided by 4,000 is equal to 7. So the ratio of the investment of the partners is 9 is to 11 is to 7. Now the working partner Aman gets the one-fourth of the profit for his service. We divide the remaining profit in three partners in their investment ratio. The total of the all three partners investment ratio is 9 plus 11 plus 7 is equal to 27. If Aman gets one-fourth of the profit as salary, the remaining three-fourths of the profit will be shared between Aman, Biman and Chiman in their investment ratio. So we divide 27 by 3 is equal to 9. The one-third of the ratio is 9 and the Aman's investment ratio is 9. It means Aman gets one-fourth of the profit as salary and one-fourth of the profit as his investment share. Now we calculate the Aman's profit. Aman gets 5,400 net profit divided by 18. The ratio of investment 9 plus the ratio of partners profit 9 is equal to 300. It means 5,400 divided by 18 is equal to 300 rupees for per ratio profit. Now Chiman's net profit calculated as below. 300 rupees for per ratio into ratio of investment. It means 300 into 7 is equal to 2,100. The answer is A, rupees 2,100. Please like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.